how to type faster from 0 to 150 words per minute. If you use a computer every day, and there is one skill that directly impacts your productivity, and almost nobody trains it consciously, typing. Most people type at an average speed of 40 words per minute, and that is considered very normal. But think about this. If you could type twice as fast, how much time would you save every week? How much more work could you have finished? How many more ideas could you capture before losing your train of thought? So today I'm going to show you how to go from the absolute beginner to the advanced level typing, moving through every stage 0 to 50, 50 to 60, 50 to 100, and 100 to 150 words per minute with a real strategy for improvement, okay? So we are going to use just one platform to train, that is the 10 fast fingers. The link is in the description below and you should check it out, okay? So now let's start from the beginning. If you are between 0 and 15 words per minute, your problem isn't speed, it's foundation. At this level, most people constantly look at the keyboard, use 2 or 3 fingers, and make exaggerated hand movements. Okay, so the first step is learning how to proper positioning the hands. The foundation of typing is called home rule. Your left hand should rest on the A, S, D, and F keys. Your right hand should rest on J, K, and L, and your index fingers stay on the F and the J. Those keys have small raised palms to help you locate them without looking. You can see that there is something bumped. So each finger has its own specific area of responsibility on the keyboard, and you shouldn't stretch random fingers to reach random keys. Speed comes from the division of the responsibility. So the more organized your movement is, the faster it becomes. And here's something important. You need to stop looking at the keyboard. At first, your speed will drop and you feel like you're getting worse, but that's necessary to build muscle memory, okay? It's like the gym. If you keep looking down, you never move past the beginning stage. So at this stage, use the 10 fast fingers to do the 1 minute test every single day. And don't try to be fast. Focus on accuracy, okay? If your error rate is high, slow down. Your goal here is to reach 50 words per minute with at least 90 to 95% accuracy. So once you achieve that, you move into the second level, 50 to 100 words per minute. Here on the website, you can see that there is a lot of words, of random words, and here's the place that you're gonna type, and here's the time. The time you only begin when you start typing. When the time is over, it will make a calculation, a math calculation to say what is your word per minute. What are your words per minute? So I'm going to do this right now for you guys to see how it works. When I click here and start typing, it will fill every single word. When you finish the word, you press space and then it will go to the next one. If you make a mistake, it will get red. You can backspace, delete, and get it right, but only if you not press the space. If you press the space with an error, this will happen. It will say that you did a mistake and you will not be able to fix it. Okay, so I'm going to keep it up very slowly, because the time is running out. But as you can see, I started the time and I read it very slow since the beginning, and it did 26 words per minute. If I started the same way but without stopping, it would give 40 words per minute, and that is very slow, but it's the normal one. Okay, a lot of people in the earth type like this, and this is not a mistake. This is the normal. But But the question here in this video is that we are going in the next level, okay? So I give you a lot of tips of how to improve in this first part. And this is not actually just in the first part. You can take the same tips, and you can take the same tips that I told you and put that on the next level, and it worked just fine, okay? And here your basic technique is already built. Now the challenge is flow. Many people hesitate between words, freeze after making a mistake, or type with tension in the shoulders and wrists, okay? So fast typing isn't about force, it's about lightness. Your fingers should press the keys gently and return immediately to the home position. Short, efficient, and relaxed movements, okay? So at this level, start doing slightly longer test sessions. Instead of just 1 minute tests, do multiple rounds in a row. So take this test, the same test, and do a lot of times in the day. When you feel comfortable, then you go to the next level. When you see your word per minute increase to 60, 70, you now you go to the next level, okay? It doesn't matter if you hit 95 word per minute once and then drop to 70. The goal is stability, okay? So another important tip here is posture. Keep your wrists aligned, not bend upward, and relax your forearms. So keep your shoulders loose. If you tap with tension, your speed will hit a ceiling. When you start constantly reaching 19 to 100 words per minute, you enter the advanced stage. And that would be how fast is 100 words per minute. And it worked at 100 words per minute. Okay, now from 100 words per minute to 150 per minute, improved become, and that's how 100 words per minute seems. Okay, so from 100 words per minute to 150 words per minute, improvement becomes much more mental than technical. So now every small mistake significantly affects your average. The secret becomes focus and rhythm. So don't look at the counter while typing. Don't panic when you make a mistake. Just continue. So high level typing is continuous flow. The less you interrupt yourself to think about each word, the more natural it becomes. So another factor that influences performance a lot is your keyboard. If you have a smaller hands keyboard, if you have a small hands, compacted keyboards can help reduce lateral movement. If you have larger hands, a full-size keyboard may provide better comfort and spacing. For me, I think it's better the small keyboard, so I don't have the number pad and it takes a lot of space on the table. So if you have a larger hands, a full-size keyboard may provide a better comfort and spacing. And it is making sure the key is making sure you don't feel like you're stretching your force your fingers to reach the keys. Remember the main rule, speed is a consequence of accuracy. Always Always, if you prioritize typing words correctly, your brain automates the movements, and when the movement becomes automatic, speed increases naturally. Okay, so if you are currently at the average of 40 words per minute with just 15 minutes of daily practice on your 10 fast fingers, it's completely realistic to reach 70 to 80 in a few weeks. And with a constant practice, surpassing 100 is absolutely possible. Okay, so now I want to know what's your current word per minute. Comment below. If this video helped you, leave a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more practical content like this and where we take simple skills and turn them into real advantages. And share these with a friend who still taps with two fingers. I will see you in the next video.